Welcome back to the Solidworks tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about how to create this S shape and this donut right here using the swept boss/base feature in Solidworks. To get started, let's create a new file to work on. Press Ctrl key and the N key on the keyboard, select part and click OK. After that, show all the three planes right here. Next, click on the top plane and start sketching. Let's create a circle right here. Give it a dimension. After that, exit the sketch. Now, click on the top plane again, and this time create another new sketch using the spline option right here. Create a rough S shape right here. After you're done, press exit button, and this time click on this center point of the S shape, and then holding down the shift key, select the front plane and add a relationship with coincident. After that, we are done here. Press the exit sketch to exit the sketch mode. Next, rotate a little bit and select on the front plane. Now, create a new sketch and draw a rectangle right here on the center point of the S that we created just now. Give it a dimension, make sure that it's not too big, not too small. Let's set it to 10 and the side to 15. After that, we are done here. Press the exit button right here. Now go to the features. This time select this rectangle right here, which is the sketch tree, and press swept boss/base. In this blue color box, you will need to select the profile or the shape you want to create along the path of the S right here, which is why we selected the sketch tree where it contains our rectangle right here. And then in the pink color box, you will select this path right here. As you can see, the yellow period line has already shown that the S shape is forming in one direction, which is this direction. To select in both directions, click on Bidirectional button right here. If you want it to form just in this direction, press this direction 2 button right here. For now, we want it to be both directions, so click on the Bidirectional button right here. After that, we are done here. Click the OK button. As you can see, now the S shape is formed. Now to create a ring here, go back to the swept boss/base feature. This time, select circular profile right here, and you will be asked to key in just the pink color box, which is the path. Select the ring, and now give it a diameter of the donut ring. Let's say 90. As you can see, if this diameter is too big, where it will coincident with the middle part, it won't show a preview, which means it's invalid. Let's change it to something smaller. Let's say 20. Now it seems like it is working, so let's click on the OK button right here. There you go. We have the S shape and the donut right here. So to make it clear, a swept boss/base is taking a shape, which is just now the rectangle, and create it along the path of another directions. We'll create along the path of the S shape and create a solid out of it. That's all for the swept boss/base tutorial in this video, and see you guys in the next video.